issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Ector County in western Texas, northeastern Ward County in western Texas, eastern Winkler County in western Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Time. At 4:36 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Piode, or 13 miles west of Monahans, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, public reported quarter-size hail in Piode. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Thorntonville, Piode, Wickett, and Notras. This includes Interstate 20 between mile marker 60 and 77. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Time for western Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Time for western Texas.